All right, what's going on, guys? This is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country with a 6.2 liter motor. So here's the key. You can lock, unlock, remote start and open the tailgate. So just lock it twice, start it right on up. Got LED running lights up front. You got the bronze inserts in the grille. Fog lights, 2 tow hooks. You got your front parking sensors right there too. Got your High Country badging. And since it has a 6C, you get your 6.2 liter badging on there as well. High Country wheels. You got blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. Keyless open and lock. Got your High Country badging back here. 2 rectangular exhaust tips. Just let the tailgate down, so you just tap it twice and it comes down electronically. High Country spray and bed liner. You got 12 tie downs inside of here. You also have the dual platform loading system, so if you put some 2x4s in those 4 little slots, you can set up a platform to have 2 layers. Got a 3-prong right there. The cool thing about the High Country is that you can actually put the tailgate back up with the key. Well, I thought you could. I think it has to be fully turned on for it to do it. Another cool thing is you can lift up tailgate halfway and the rest of it goes up. Got your back parking sensors, all your trailering hookups. And this, like all the other Chevys, has the easy fill gas cap. You also have these nice running boards right here. It has 2 different settings, so you have a button on the side right here. If you hit that with your foot, it'll slide out like that, so you can step up and load stuff into the bed. And to put it back, just tap it like that. Here's the back seats. Nice leather interior. You have coolers on both sides behind the seats. Got your cup holders right here. That doesn't want to come out. Your sliding rear glass window right there. Heated seats, a couple USBs and a charger port right there. You got the nice wood grain trim on the doors. Tons of headroom and space back here. Let's hop inside and start all the way up. All right, so put your foot on the brake, hit this button, and it starts all the way up. So first things first, up here in the center, you have all your information. You got your home, shows you your miles per hour. All your information, show you gas mileage, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, air filter life, brake pad life, fuel economy, music, navigation, phone, and all your settings for the screen. Also up there you can see what drive you're in. Right now we're in 2-wheel drive. See if your lane keep assist is on and your cruise control. This does have the auto stop start. So if you stop at a stoplight, it'll cut the engine off to save it gas. You got the High Country wheel right here with the bronze inserts. Heated steering wheel. You can adjust your forward collision. Set how far you want that to activate. On this side, this is how you scroll to that screen. You also have hands-free Bluetooth voice commands and calling. All your 4-wheel drive controls, light controls, electronic parking brake, and you do have the heads-up display, so you can move that up and down. You can change your information. So right now, miles per hour, lane keep, off-road, and you can adjust the brightness, so you can turn that up or down. You have memory seats. You can fold in the mirrors. Just like that. All your window controls and whatnot. Do have Bose audio inside this vehicle. Got the High Country stitching in the seats. Cup holders, you do have a wireless charging pad for your phone. Right here you can turn on or off your lane keep, your front and back parking sensors, your automatic stop start. Lift down the tailgate, hazards, traction. You can activate the plug-in back there and turn on or off your running boards. You have heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. All your climate controls are right here. And you have your center touch screen. So you have your main menu right here. That'll show you your navigation and your music, whatever's playing. You have your audio. It has AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Phone, navigation. Real nice navigation system. Wi-Fi, users, settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have your trailering apps for hooking up the trailer. OnStar, climate, camera, and your My Chevrolet app. So another cool thing is this has a few cameras on it. You can see in front of you, behind you, all the way around you. You have a wide view right here just for the front and back. A bunch of different angles that you can see. You have your side-to-side parallel parking for the front and back. Got your hitch view. Tons of cameras on this thing. Also up here you have the rear view camera, so you can turn that on or off by doing this. Off, on, off, on. And you have a few different settings, so you can turn up or down the brightness. You can zoom it in or out. And you can move the camera view down or up, which is super cool. You do have OnStar. This is for the sliding rear glass window. Pretty cool. And you have all your sunroof controls right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Let the sun in. Close it back up. And you can also tilt it. You got 3 different garage door openers right there. 2 glove boxes. Pretty sweet. Bronze trim right here for the High Country. Bunch of wood grain. You have your center console right here. You have a holder for your phone. 2 cup holders back here. Inside of here you have a ton of storage. You got a few USBs right there and an SD card for the navigation. Also has a little light inside of it. But yeah, really nice interior. This leather feels amazing. And what I'm gonna do is pop the hood, show you guys the 6.2, rev it up, see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Let's check out the motor. .2 liter of goodness right there. Yeah, we'll just walk around, take one last look at it. Really pretty truck. Here's the window sticker on it. So 2019 Silverado 4-wheel drive High Country Crew Cab. Satin steel metallic color with a jet black interior. 6.2 V8, 10-speed transmission. MSRP 66,525. After accessories and everything, 67. 60 miles per gallon city, 20 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this vehicle. Appreciate you guys watching. Let's give me 10,000 subscribers, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, one more thing before you stop the video. Let me know what kind of cars you guys want to see. You know, I'm kind of running out of stuff to record. I'm thinking about going to other dealerships and stuff and just seeing what they got. I might do like some point of view kind of stuff, driving them and all that. So let me know what you guys want to see down below, and I'll try and make it happen for you. But thanks again.